So I've drilled the countersink a little lower in case I decide to run my planer over this to even it up with this level. You know, I decided it was a low stakes situation that would make it possible for me to practice with my electric planer, and I think that's worthwhile. So we're going to try to get those evened up. And I don't know, I really like the Wen tools that I have so far. I don't have a lot, but the ones that I have I really like, and they've held up for me. What do you think? Yeah, that turned out okay. This isn't going to take much, but there's the before. That turned out pretty well. I think I'm going to get some glue, though, in here and clamp that together.